Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease your Canva interface. If you have a 4K monitor or any high resolution monitor and you feel like Canva interface is a little bit tiny, the UI is very tiny and you want to make it bigger, or if you have a low res monitor and you feel like Canva interface is too big and you want to reduce the interface, whichever one you want to do, in this video I'll show you how to do that. So open your Canva app. So this is what you have to do. Navigate to the three dots at the top left corner. Expand view and expand interface scale. Here you're going to see an option to make it larger or make it smaller. So if I click on make it smaller, it's going to decrease the interface of the Canva and make it smaller. So if I go there again and make it smaller, it's going to further decrease the interface of Canva. So depending on your needs, you can make it smaller or make it bigger. So if you want to go back to default, you can always click on reset to default and it will show you the percentage of the scale. For now I am on 75. So if you want to go back to default, you click on reset. It's going to go back to default. So that's how you make Canva interface smaller or bigger. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.